All right, Maharashtra government has hinted at a lockdown from today as cases continue to surge. However, sources have revealed that there will be no complete lockdown in the state, but strict curbs will be in place to ensure containing the spread of this infection. Restrictions are likely to be in place at crowded places, markets, and there would be a ban on inter-district travel. Yesterday, Maharashtra cabinet suggested that there is no option but to impose an even stricter lockdown in the state. Maharashtra already has sweeping lockdown like curbs in the state, across the state. The Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray is going to take the final call on lockdown later today. The state government yesterday announced some new measures to combat the crisis. All shops, including grocery stores, will remain open only between 7 a.m. and 11 a.m. Home delivery will be allowed only between 7 a.m. and 8 p.m. Maharashtra reported over 62,000 new cases, 519 deaths on Tuesday, taking the total active cases count to over 6,63,000. Meanwhile, Mumbai alone recorded more than 7,000 new cases and 35 deaths. Sahil Joshi is getting us more details on that story. Sahil, just from yesterday, there's been so much of speculation with the health minister indicating that there is a possibility of a lockdown. What are you picking up from your sources? What is expected really?
Well, yesterday's cabinet meeting, almost all the ministers were trying to say that how the stricter curbs right now, which are in place since last 1 week in Maharashtra, are not as effective as they had thought, because people are not following the guidelines. The people are still out in open, especially in the marketplaces. People are, coming out of their houses just to roam around on the streets, especially in the urban, semi-urban and the rural sector. So that is the reason why there is a need for the, more stricter guidelines in the state, and even implementation of the guidelines which have been already in place at this point of time in Maharashtra. That is the reason why there is a possibility that inter-district travel will be closed again, the way it was there in, last year. But the transport systems within the city limits will not be closed, because last time, because of the closure of the transport systems, people faced a lot of problems. So that is what the government wants to avoid. But at the same time, the list of the essential commodities, the services will be curtailed so that less and less people can come out. The marketplaces will have stricter guidelines and implementations of those stricter guidelines so that the marketplaces will not be crowded. It is likely that Uddhav Thackeray will address the state in the evening today at around 7 to 8, and after that these guidelines will come into place.
All right, Sahil, thanks for getting us up to speed with that. Sahil Joshi with that story from Mumbai City.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.